Hey everyone, Jeremy, keeping it clean, moss removal and house washing. Another house done. Customer Jim here wants to give a little testimonial of the services that we provided and the job that we did.
Absolutely. You know, first of all, Jeremy was, from the day I called him, showed up, provided a free estimate. It was awesome because he provided a binder with all of the services. What I loved about it as well is his insurance. He had a copy of his insurance. And, you know, I've got a pretty big property here, a lot of beautiful planter beds, got some very high gutters, high ceiling. And I tell you, at the end of the day, they finished it. He told me 6 to 7 hours, completely done. And my entire perimeter of my property, completely happy with the cleanup process. So definitely keeping it clean. Highly recommend you guys.
Thanks, Jim.